Good evening, meteorologist Brian Wolf here to kind of give you an update as to what you can expect overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. On our impact dashboard, you can see where we have some more scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, mainly closer to the river, and those will be exiting our area off into the south and east as we go towards midnight tonight. And then those possible hazards that we have would again be reduced visibility for those traveling if you get caught in one of those isolated thunderstorms, along with some potential lightning, although that hasn't been too big of a hazard today, and some potential heavy rain, again, in those more convective isolated thunderstorms. As we look at the current radar, we can actually see where this line is forming that's moving from west-northwest really through the southeast part of our area. That's going to spark again some of these isolated showers and storms. But once that moves out of the area, it should be a very nice, quiet night. And the future radar, shows how this will move through the area as we go through the overnight hours. So what can you expect midnight, 4 a.m. and 8 a.m.? Looks like pretty calm conditions, maybe a scattered shower here or there. And so what did we get in terms of rainfall today? Well, you can see that the average across the area there, just a little over 3/4 of an inch of much needed rainfall. And then what are we expecting the next 24 hours just for comparison purposes? As you can see, not very much, about 1/10 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch if you get really, really lucky. But a lot of the precip today was varied. So some areas saw about 1 inch of rain, some areas saw only about 1/2 an inch of rain. And again, that really just depended on whether or not you got in one of those more convective showers or there were heavier precipitation amounts. As for our 7-day forecast, you can see actually as we head towards the weekend, we start to see some sunshine. The really only thing to note is although tomorrow is going to be cloudy and relatively quiet, you can see we've got another chance for a pretty good amount of precipitation on Wednesday, but then quieting down and hopefully the sun returns this weekend. Tune in tomorrow morning for an update on what you can expect tomorrow.